Hello guys, how are you? Hope you are all will be fine. And guys, welcome back to my channel again. And my today's video is about 10 important settings about Facebook which you should must check and verify it right now. The motive behind this video is to keep yourself secure, safe from any type of hacking and misusing of your Facebook account. Is that someone hack your account and then post a criminal post and criminal things post on your Facebook account, and its consequences may you bear in future. So in order to avoid all these types of circumstances, you must change your Facebook settings right now, and I will show you which settings, and I will tell you how we can change these settings. So keep watching this video till end. But before starting my video, my humble request to my new viewers, please subscribe my channel and get the notification about my upcoming videos. So let's start our video. So start our setting number 1. For this we need to log in our Facebook account, and after logging in we have to go at there, click on this and then scroll down and setting and privacy, and in setting and privacy you have to click on setting, and here in setting, as you can see, there is security and login, and click on it. And in security and login, as you can see, choose friends to contact if you get locked out. So you have to select your 3 or 5 trustworthy friends in case of any mishap, or if you logged out, if your Facebook account is logged out, then a verification code will be sent to these friends Facebook account, and you can take this verification code from them and apply, and your account will be unlocked. So must select 3 or 5 friends. Let me show you. Click on it and just it will take 5 to 10 seconds, and then choose your trustworthy friends. Let me type their names. If you click on these are all friends, and you can select your trustworthy friends. So I highly recommend to on this, because in case if someone want to log in into your account and Facebook will feel a suspicious activity, then it will lock your account, and for unlock you have to do this. So the tip number 2 is two-factor setting. This is really important tip. First, let me tell you what is two-factor authentication. If you are logging in one device and the next day you are going to log in another device, then Facebook will notify you and even send you a verification 6-digit code at your mobile number, and then you will put this verification code in login process, and then Facebook will log in you in any other device or in any browser or laptop, whatever. So you have to on this two-factor certification authentication in order to avoid any type of hacking. So for this you just click on it. After clicking on it, you have to turn it on. After turn it on, it will take 5 to 10 seconds. Let me on. Yes, this is when you turn it on, just click on text message and click continue, and this it will verify that is it your phone number, then okay, and log in. And now wait for the verification code. Only it will take 5 seconds, and as you can see, this is my verification code 757155 and 757155, and okay, continue. and now your two factors authentication is on, and for off, turning off, you have to click on it like me turn off before. So the next step is about get alerts about unauthorized users, and it is here as you can see. So if you are working in an office, in a public office, and you log in at your Facebook account, and then you complete your work and went to the home, and your password and username saved in the cookies, and someone reach this computer and just click on FB account and retrieve your password from your cookies, from browser cookies, and log into your account. If you on this option, the Facebook will notify these types of login at your Facebook notification setting or at your Facebook Messenger. Let me like me on notification and Messenger. You must on these in order to avoid any type of hacking. And so keep checking, keep on this setting. The next option is see recent emails, and it's here is see recent email. This is really important function because for you have to check these emails time by time, because Facebook will intimate you, warn you if Facebook observe any type of suspicious activity at your account, or it will also verify other emails like its new terms and conditions, and it's also notify or warn you about the if you upload or post something bad which is against its terms and conditions. So you have to check these emails time by time. The next option is if you think your account was hacked. So this is really important function, and when we click on it, it will shows these 5 possible options, and if you feel that your account is hacked, then you have to select any of the 5 messages, me select I found a post message, or even that I did not create. So let's suppose I'm the person A, and me post a picture from a device number 1, and I will select this option. Facebook will analyze that the picture is uploaded from device 1, which is mine, or it is uploaded on any other type of source like device 2 or any laptop. And if it found that it is uploaded any other device except device 1, then it will block these device, my account from these device, and notify me to change my password right now. So you must know about, if you feel that your account is hacked, don't bother about that, don't worry, just calm down and click on it and select the option accordingly. Facebook will help you at the earliest. So the next setting is regarding apps and website, and for these you have to check from security and click on apps and websites. When you click on it, you have to click on login with Google's, and let me show you. There were all the websites which me logged in with Facebook, which is really bad practice. Right now I'm not active in any type of third-party application and no expire. So I highly recommend to you that no need to log in with Facebook in any application, in any type of game, in whatever. So the next option is face recognition. This is really important function. When we click on it, let me show you, and me on it. When you on it, Facebook will recognize your photos, recognize your face with you from your photos, and whenever someone use your photo, then Facebook will notify you and that person also that he is using a picture of A, and then ask them to remove, and you also ask them to remove or report him, then Facebook will strictly take action against him and maybe block his account also. The next option is regarding activity log. So this is my activity log. These are all activities which me recently done, like me anything me like, comment, share, and any whatever we do at Facebook. So you need to check this log time by time. I recommend you twice a week, because if you found anything which is not done by you, then you must be conscious about it, because it means someone you also using your account and liking and commenting on your behalf. So in order to avoid any type of incident or any type of inconvenience, you need to check this, and in case of any suspicious activity, notify the Facebook as me earlier show. The next option is regarding information. You can also download your all information from Facebook, and from there you can also analyze that if your account possibly hacked, that from which time it's hacked. And the next setting is off Facebook activity. This is another option. Let me show you. These are all applications which me logged in with Facebook recently, but right now I'm not logged in any of the application. So you can also check your history and clear this history from there as well. So guys, this was my today's video about 10 important settings of Facebook which I should highly recommend you to check and on. If not on, then on them and change them if required at the earliest to keep your Facebook account safe and secure. So if you like this video, I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, please press the like button. If you have any question and query about this video, you can write in the comments. I must reply you at the earliest. So at last, take care. Bye bye.